Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here with some more NASCAR Authentics from the 187 Wave for Wave 1. We are going to do William Byron and Alex Bowman. And they both are Exalta cars. Here's the back. Let's take these 200 cars out of the box. So for this pack, William Byron and Alex Bowman are both Hendrick drivers, and they both share the same sponsor, which is Exalta, and it got dark all of a sudden, so, hang on a minute as I turn on the lights. So it'll take a while to get focused up, so let's find these two cars here. So William Byron is the 24 Exalta car, as you can see right here. He is like the same version of the, bigger car, which is right here, except the windows are black instead. Here's Alex Bowman in the 88 Exalta car, and right here you can get the Valvoline car, but the Valvoline car is in the mystery pack. So if you buy the mystery packs, you may have a chance of finding this one, but it may be ending up one of the other cars. And here are the other 200 cars. You can also get Chase Elliott in the Chase Elliott 2-pack, but that's for a Napa one, too. And Jimmy Johnson, you can also get the Will's Final Ride car, like I said. See, it's starting to bright up. Now let's take a look at the cars. So William Byron is the 24 Exalta, like his bigger version. He has the flames. And Alex Bowman, it's like his 2018 car, but this is now orange instead of red. That's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.